Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you that how you can add a scroll bar in your list box. So for that let's make an empty window. For that I will write here from Tkinter import star root equals tk, and after leaving some lines root dot main loop. Now let's create a list box by simply making a variable. So lb equals list box, and in here I will write root and lb.pack. Now let's add some items in our list box. For I in range, let's say 25. lb.insert and comma I. Now let's run the code to verify the program. Here you guys can see we have 25 items in our list box. Now our list box is created. Let's make a scroll bar. So for that I will make a variable sb equals scroll bar with capital S, and in here I will write root sb.pack and lb.config y scroll command equals sb, and in the empty parentheses of sb.pack you have to write side, any side you want. I want the right side, so I will write here side equals right and fill equals y. Now let me run the code. Here you guys can see that list box is separate and the scroll bar is separate, so we have to do some work on it, and you can see it is not working also. Let's head back to PyCharm, and here you have to write sb.set and sb.config command equals lb.yview. Now you have to remove these empty brackets next to the sb.set. Now you guys can see that scroll bar is working perfectly, but it is not connected with the list box. So for that we have to arrange the list box and the scroll bar. We have to define the scroll bar first, then the list box. So let's adjust them. So let's arrange them. Now after arranging these scroll bar and list box, you guys can see this is our code. So let's run the code, and you guys can see here that the scroll bar is working perfectly with the list box. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.